Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Dragonfly Garden Bundle, and this is a sweet little friendship card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Dragonfly Garden Bundle, and we're going to be using this little dragonfly and For a True Friend. So let's go ahead and start with our stamping. I have our dragonfly mounted on clear block D. I'm going to come in with my Mossy Meadow. Just like that. And before we do more stamping, I'm going to run this through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss. These are the stitch nested labels, and I have it on a piece of the basic white. So we'll just run that through quickly. Alright, and that's all that we're using that for. Get this out of the way. And now I'm going to come in with my bumblebee. And then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block A. And I'm just going to put it right here towards the bottom, just like that. Now we can start putting this card together. I'm going to take our dragonfly and come in with my dragonfly punch. And I was afraid that I had stamped it a little too high, so I'm just going to trim off some of the excess here. Alright, so just like that. And you're going to have an extra little baby dragonfly. That's okay. Okay, and now I have a piece of the Dandy Gardens Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I'm going to come in with my braided linen trim. Isn't this gorgeous? And this is Mossy Meadow. I'm going to bring in some regular old tape. And we'll just put it down on one side here. And I want to go ahead and trim that. So we have this. And I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Seal, put some adhesive down on all 4 sides. And then our card base is Mossy Meadow, and it's cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that. Next I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to pop our little dragonfly up. And I want him kind of sideways, just like that. And then we're going to pop up this nested shape here. So just like that. And then let me show you these. How cute are these little baby ladybugs? They're too stinking cute. So I'm going to embellish with those, and I have some mini glue dots here. And I'm just going to put him right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple friend card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!